You might have seen the pictures of our workshops on social media, or maybe you've even had a wee nosy at our website. And you're thinking, what exactly is a 3-tier workshop? Is it a shed? Is it a workshop? Is it some kind of mysterious G&M invention? Well, yes, it's actually a bit of all three. What it's not is a timber building with 3 stories. Mainly, it's a serious space for whatever you need it for. Hobbies, projects, work, or just reliable storage. It's for people who need something a bit more substantial than your average shed. So stick around and I'll tell you why the 3-tier workshop is the only workshop in Scotland that's guaranteed to stay dry. The best part about the 3-tier workshop is exactly what the name suggests. Layers. 3 of them to be exact. The 3-tier workshop is all dressed up and ready to face the Scottish weather with 3 layers of protection. Layer 1, the outer layer. This is 19mm tongue and groove Scandinavian redwood cladding. Its job is simple. Take the hit from the Scottish weather. Rain, wind, snow, it's ready for anything. Layer 2, the protective layer. Behind the cladding is a breather cavity and membrane. This layer is essential for keeping the workshop completely dry. The cavity creates a clever little air gap that moisture can't cross. So even if water gets through the outer layer, it stops there. And the damp-proof membrane adds an extra line of defence. Layer 3, the structural layer. Inside you've got 75mm by 45mm pressure-treated C24 graded framing. This is strong stuff and acts as the bones of the workshop, holding everything up. You'll also find OSB structural board, which adds even more strength to the walls. OSB is great to use anywhere it won't get wet, and here it definitely won't. The result of all these layers? A workshop that's guaranteed to stay watertight, which in Scotland is a superpower. At this point, the rain has given up and gone to bother someone else's shed. But it's not just the walls doing the hard work. Our workshops feature a 19mm tongue and groove redwood floor and 16mm tongue and groove timber roof, giving you strength as well as a polished internal finish. Topping the roof is sturdy steel box profile roofing that comes with a 20-year manufacturer's guarantee. We're nuts about steel at G&M, and with good reason. It's durable, long-lasting, and offers the ultimate protection against wind and rain. These beauties are even fully kitted out with a UPVC horizontal window and UPVC fully clad single door as standard, giving you plenty of security and weather resistance. So how big are we talking? Well, these workshops start at 10 feet by 8 feet and go all the way up to 20 feet by 10 feet. This gives you enough space to work on a million projects at once if your heart desires. What about costs? With their layered construction, steel box profile roofing and UPVC units, these workshops do cost more than your standard shed. But remember, you're paying for performance. No moisture, no leaks, complete reliability. Plus every workshop comes with a 30-year guarantee. For the full price list, check out the link in the description below. So now you know. A 3-tier workshop isn't just another shed. It's a fully watertight space designed to handle the Scottish weather and serious hobbies or projects. If you need somewhere to create, tinker, build, or just escape the house for a bit, the 3-tier workshop could be the space you're dreaming of. And if you'd like to see one in person, come along to our show area in Errol. Just be warned, you might leave with serious workshop envy. So what would you use your workshop for? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you next time.